This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
When you now come a biome Emra program, so Andy, say yeah.
You don't know where pa.
Yankopo asipa. And then some more. You call matches muka crebe, Africa matches muka crebe. Na figure the academy na no I AFCON. As na say I'm come some. The MZ Kaunya timer.
Oh, you know, almost you can last when they started playing well, you come almost and you're right, you know, my coach now are very disappointed in assemble a team. Mohamed El Neni and Thomas Partey and probably Granit Xhaka and then Gabriel Magalhaes. These were the players who meant me more because Cedric Suarez, Rob Holding, Ben White, Nuno Tavares, Kombi, and that player or pay Kombi in midfield with Odegaard, Bukayo Saka, Gabriel Martinelli, and then Edin Nketiah. Now, money say whatever the situation in BCI, you know, playing against Nottingham Forest there, at least as now what the men, what the quality and the level of form, and Anseno and Komubit me ashe. But unfortunately for them, you know, I'm far more and what you said, you almost see common some BBH, so when you're happy with the kind of output on players in the Mae and Mikel Arteta, very unfamiliar with him, so criticizing players. But then after the game open, and they say, "On you happy with what actually transpired on the field of play?" Inti Arsenal and Sam, the answer almost bomb in the Premier League. Obianim said, at least a team a bit no more competing in the EPL and Manchester United almost so where we are of more. And Arsenal maintaining almost position in the last 2 weeks, being at the top 4 and hoping say almost performance between at us in the Premier League. But unfortunately, they've lost it to a Nottingham Forest side. Nottingham Forest, they only the Champions League, and their memories came into the picture here. But inside game, you expect us now to deliver. The Arsenal supporters near disappointed. You're right, you're disappointed. Roy Keane, you're disappointed. No coach, you're disappointed. You know, I also agree. Semesum, you're disappointed with the kind of players or Mansambo here. No man to me answer Nottingham Forest. Chelsea 5-1 really tells you, say, baby, Omujina Neno, Omo who said Premier League in they still have chance in the UEFA Champions League, but other competition a whole league in general. Team to check players on ball, no check players are almost 30 here and check players to normal goes no. My only happiness for Chelsea and Yemami no pay one. Hakim Ziyech last season or by the name of he struggled with the 3-back system and now Rua coach your friend Thomas Tuchel the man and wide. Until at a point, AC Milan by so open. At a point, Ekobai so Obesan back to Ajax Amsterdam. But this time, someone 70 position cry with a few opportunities a bad way with the level of performance or they met him my friend Chelsea no. BBA Chelsea branch that fully arrived and with time, what team adapted to the style and adjusted to the play of the Chelsea team and the typical passing range of footballer. Thomas Tuchel no when ya a proper role for Hakim Ziyech and Genoa Abranti deliver. So when we say Kovacic air transit say na onyaje because in the Premier League it transcends better than all the central midfielders. The only person closer is Kevin De Bruyne. But at any point in time about Matthew Kovacic, a crack Chelsea midfield no transit. You know you love to watch him and watch him again. Now you're the missing link after an injury and Oba back no. Chelsea are fan into my pefra who's a midfield no ma close near so well and then Abranti FN is Saul, you know. In the second game was excelling behind Matthew Kovacic and only idea not Chelsea supporters and perform Saul Niguez. In this game, you only love Chelsea and how they dominated, how they play, and the level of goals are on Mutimi. The Chelsea so keep up the pace and Omu put that in the next stage of the competition, Omu beating IBB because baby Omudina CC Premier League they might. In Italy, just so more knows in a players no weak mentality. Na la Gazzetta dello Sport say menkama jusinte. So no ankasa coach na very weak. Any the players na weak. You know as of 53rd minute. No be any say Jose we adwuma no. Laduz in the bench. Edema team my friend Juventus. Juve play without Danilo. Omo without Alessandro. Omo without Leonardo Bonucci. Inti Cuadrado na ball right back. The Silio na ball left back. And omo Daniel Rugani. Any Matia delete. Social rating on the man delete now. It really tells you say that Brandt is in this particular game. But as of 53rd minute, no PM say Jose real game no. And typically of Jose Mourinho, so Lidiwa, he only need to tie the knot. He only need to shut up the shop. He only needs to close the game. But Jose Antimi and Juve came back strongly after the introduction of Alvaro Morata. Ebete Kano, Esan share in 80 my friend AS Roma by 4-3. You know, you don't blame the players alone for their mentality. Mentality, no, and why they making sure say the players will be mentally tough. The players will be psychologically sound for game like this. Baby, and I do know it was a game of tactics. It was a game of personality, and it was a game of tactical genuity. And I know I said you see the beba. But after the introduction of Abrante FN Alvaro Morata, no, almost stretched Roma defense, no, and Maitland Niles, the new sensational from Arsenal, Omdinabano, not just in himself, Beka, the team playing as a right wing back with Abrante FN Matias Vena, having Roger Obenas, Chris Smalling, and then or draw Abrante FN Bernard Christine Tibeche, the heart of the three back. No, be any said Yama Beweke, but unfortunately, just see Elusu here by 4-3. In the space of just 1 week, he considered 3, and Genoa, which were considered 4. Just are considered 7 goals in the space of just 1 week against Milan and against Juventus. We should defeat we are. Defeat we ain't going into the history with Encocha 5-0 no. Barcelona the man no. Defeat we Encocha 2-1 Sevilla the man no. Defeat we Encocha 3-1 now. Atletico the man of Stamford Bridge no. But you know, defeat will be go into the history books as one of the worst days for Jose Mourinho as in his career as a coach.
Very painful defeat.
Very, very painful. Said defeat American, you know, a painful because Jose Mourinho omudina basa o stabilize any man nko your rem at no beba 5. The same one now omunim so what the winning mentality and the experience in the Champions League. Now let's come out of beba 3-1 home of Stamford Bridge. The same one now playing against Sevilla in the Champions League. Now everybody thought said you just say one quality at Manchester United no obetim dia BB. Now be lose 2-1. The same one not home, not Juventus better than 1-0. No Castle Leonardo Bonucci and Giorgio Chiellini. Everything a check defensive plan. Our university or in football, no, you know, side defeat where we go into the history books as one of the painful defeater you say in his career. But it can be beat, you know. The catcher and say Jose need to back up. I hold the baby at the same all, you know.
All right. This is your